Did you know over 70% of women in Pakistan don't know what menopause is? And to make it worse, there's no specific word for it in Urdu or Pashto. It's simply called Hez ka band hona or a stage of life. This silence isn't just cultural, it's a gap in understanding that's quietly impacting women's health. It's time to start the conversation and take action. In Pakistan, menopause remains a taboo topic, something women endure quietly, without knowing it's a natural transition, not an illness. Many confuse its symptoms with stress, aging, or other health problems, missing the chance to seek proper care. Hot flushes, sleepless nights, mood swings, fatigue, and urinary issues. These are common signs of menopause, but for most women, they're brushed aside or ignored. Why this silence? Cultural stigma, lack of education, and minimal conversations around women's health have kept menopause in the shadows. Many women suffer alone, unaware that help and solutions exist. This silence isn't just emotional, it has physical consequences too. Without timely awareness, untreated menopause symptoms can lead to severe health risks, like weakening of the bones, heart disease, and urinary complications. The first step is recognizing the signs. Menopause doesn't have to disrupt your life. With the right support and knowledge, its symptoms can be managed effectively. Evidence-based solutions include simple steps like committing to a regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3, doing some meditation, yoga, and mindfulness for stress management, and then medical support like hormone replacement therapy if suitable, and other safe treatments for symptom management. You don't need to guess what you're going through. Evidence-based screening tools can help you understand your symptoms better and take action. These tools are easy to use and can help start a meaningful conversation with your doctor. It's time to break the silence around menopause. Talk to the women in your life, your mothers, sisters, and friends. Encourage them to learn about menopause, recognize the symptoms, and seek support. At Zen Center, we're here to help. Visit our website to access free screening tools and learn more about managing menopause effectively. You don't have to go through this alone. Subscribe to Zen Center for more stories, tips, and expert advice on women's health. Visit our website to access helpful screening tools and learn about personalized care options, because every woman's journey deserves understanding and support.